Hello class 6, welcome to Ideal Classroom. This video has been specially made to cover exercise 4.2 of our NCERT book. So let's begin. Before starting the exercise, here are some points to remember. Question number 1. Classify the following curves as open or closed. So here, if I am taking example of an oval, this is ending point and starting point. I have started to draw this oval from here and ending here. It means this is closed and this oval is covering some area and boundary is complete here. Starting point and ending point are joined together and there is no break in the boundary. Suppose this, there is break in boundary, it means this is open figure and this is closed figure. Now, first part, starting and ending point are not meeting at one place. Open figure or open curve. Here, covering some area, closed figure. This one, break in boundary. Starting point, ending point. They are not meeting at one place. Open curve. This one, closed. Also this one, here starting point, if I start to draw this figure from here and covering here, boundary is, this one is boundary and this is ending point. It means starting and ending points are joined together. This figure has some area and this is closed figure or closed curve. Question number 2. Draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following. A. Open curve. B. Closed curve. So A. Open curve. B. Closed curve. So we have to draw some diagrams here. Open. We have already learnt in question number 1 that open, they do not, the ending point and starting point do not meet and do not cover some area. This is an example of open curve. Open curve, here they do not meet, here open curve. Now coming to closed curve. Closed, we have to close the curve completely. It means starting point and ending points are meeting at one place. This one, another example, this one closed, closed. So these are some examples of open curve and closed curve. Question number 3. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. So first of all, we need to understand what is polygon. Polygon is a figure which is made up of at least 3 line segments. Here polygon. Poly means many. Gon means sides. So many sides, the figure which has many sides. For example, this is triangle, and the triangle is made up of 3 line segments. It means if I try to draw any figure using 2 line segment, we cannot draw. We will not get any kind of polygon. It means we need at least 3 line segments to draw any polygon. 3 line segments. Now this one is also a polygon. Here total 4 sides. We have 4 sides here. This is also an example of polygon. So minimum 3 line segments are required to draw polygon. Now the question is, we have to draw any polygon and shade its interior. So I am taking example of triangle. What about interior and exterior? Inside the figure, here, in means inside, interior, exterior, outside of the figure. So here we are talking about inside. So we have to shade this part. So taking one more example, if I am taking a quadrilateral, so this is also a polygon because 4 line segments and it is covering an area also. So this is polygon and we have to shade its interior. This is interior, inside of the figure. This is inside of the figure. So we have drawn one polygon here and also shaded interior. This is our answer. Question number 4. Consider the given figure and answer the questions. A. Is it a curve? B. Is it closed? Curve. So yes, this is a curve. Now B part. Is it closed? We have already discussed that this is covering some area. And meeting point and ending point are same. And there is no gap in the boundary. It means yes, it is a closed curve. Question number 5. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. A. A closed curve that is not a polygon. B. An open curve made up entirely of line segments. C. A polygon with 2 sides. A part. A closed curve that is not a polygon. So here we have to draw a closed curve. But this curve should not be a polygon. And what is polygon? Polygon is a figure which is made up of at least 3 line segments. So we don't have to choose it. So we have to draw here closed curve that is not a polygon. So closed curve, oval, this is also closed curve, circle, closed curve, any figure, this is closed curve. B part, an open curve made up entirely of line segments. So this is open curve using line segment. One more, this is also open curve and we are using line segments only. C part, a polygon with 2 sides. We have already discussed what is polygon. Polygon is figure which is made up of at least 3 line segments. If we use only 2 line segments, so we cannot make a polygon. So we need at least 3 line segments. So answer is polygon with 2 sides cannot be drawn. Answer. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.